You know I'm impatient. So why would you leave me waiting outside the station when it was like -4 degrees and I get what you're saying. I just really don't want to hear right now. Can you shut up for like once in your life and listen to me? I take your nice words of advice about how you think I'm gonna die like if I turn 33. Okay, so yeah, I smoke like a chimney. I'm not skinny and I pull a Britney every other week. But cut me some slack, who do you want me to be? 'Cause I'm too messy, and then I'm too clean. You told me get a job, and then you're square the hell I've been. And I'm too perfect, till I open my big mouth. I want to be me, is that not allowed? And I'm too clever, and then I'm too dumb. You hate it when I cry, unless it's that time of the month. And I'm too perfect to show you that I'm not 1,000 people I could be for you when you hate them lot.